Today I will show you how you can use Chat GPT and other AI tools without using your original email address to sign in. First, open your PC/mobile browser and then open two tabs. On the first one, search POEAI and press enter. Go to the first link. Open the second tab, search temp-email and press enter. Then go to the first link. On the temp email page, you will get a temporary email address. Now copy it by clicking the copy to clipboard icon there. Come to the first tab of POEAI chat and click Use Email. Paste the temporary email address you copied and press Go. Now you will see a Verify Email page. Now go to the second tab of Temporary Email and you will see that you have an email with the verification code. Click on it and copy the verification code. Now return back to the AI chat tab and paste the code. Click Verify. Now you will be signed in with the temporary email address. You can use Sage, Chat GPT and other AI services until you sign out. You can also delete the entire chat and the account itself if you have to. Repeat the steps when you need to use it again.